Hello friends, myself Ajinkya Rodge. Today I am going to give presentation on Intel i9 processor. I am from Computer Engineering Department. This is my academic year 2021 to 22. Today I am going to cover these all topics. Introduction to Intel, Intel products, what is processor, what is core, types of processors, overview of Core i9, features of Core i9, advantage and disadvantage, advanced processor of Core i9, massive performance and perfectly balanced, future proof for next generations, some hardware compatibility issues, Intel or AMD processor, end notes, feature and performance, conclusions. Introduction to Intel. Intel Corporation is an American multinational corporation headquartered in Santa Clara, California. It is the world's second largest semiconductor chip maker. Intel Corporation was founded on July 18, 1968 by semiconductor developer Robert Nici and Gordon Moria of Moore's Law, and widely associated with the executive leadership and vision of Andrew Crow. Intel products. Intel supplies processors for computer system manufacturers such as Apple, Lenovo, HP, and Dell. Intel manufactures following products: motherboard, network interface, controller, integrated circuit IC, flash memory, graphic chips, embedded processor, device related to communications and computing. Thank you friends. Subscribe to AJ Group channel for latest video.